Me pacho me din de Edward Osai Asare. Amena me ye Nagrat zonal chairman ewo eye Kade zone. Sa de ye friend wo Nagrat. Mo mi gina homa Nagrat ene teacher fo ku a wo wa ha nyina. Na me di kan de aseda esopa de ama ye director general ene IGP LFA Kade Police Municipal Command ene all other teacher unions need a teacher for a wo ho nyina wo supporting ye wo sa okuya ebe yimo ede amaya bedu nia yewo ene na ye da court no so ase e wo se na we si a handle asem no na mo no ye court na handle asem ni wa hwese enkwala na mfa wo ho ani na obetwe won aso ba ye wo bribi a ye friend say punishment no. So is it punitive enough? Because near you say last 2 weeks I buy a judge and remand won't say one call and some prison's custody. You who your course wa osu and your bobo dickesia. By ne judgment, final judgment won't buy a you jubilation. You who NJ on the part of the parents and then the corporates. It is a man who say, even though court and I had never born a homo day, no. Punishment, and yet ebe serve as deterrent enough, just ebe prevent and profit be brave. Now, so ni no, yes, so musa at the appropriate time, no, me consulting and paying for ya, so punishment in there. Punishment in say one court now I find we move back could be say obetia 1,800 cedis. It way a fine to the court. I would to my court and I buy now and we best sign a bond. To be of good behavior, yes, or sign a crata, or no assist would be a say, near was signing for the next 12 months on your bonibia. I did be at it to say, Biana, I did be a tiambra on for the home she mobile and see. So try there and a man besides with the moon. Now, and no, a descenia, and Brano essay. And near Eddie also, and they say, it sounds a victim, no, that day, no, near course, no, or try. Udoni say, or call through what we call psychological trauma. Near there, he could have even lost his life. Now go to my children. Na yankupon ye done as say manasa. Eti enunti court to say untia obia betuya compensation of 2,000 Ghana cedis. Ediama victim no na teacher dina wo bo no na odietua ne ho aka. Eti we ne punishment eye court no ede ama eye mrante na ukodi ania mo de a eti say not that well yes so say watwe wan so wanya won sa it at least wo suye biribi afri mo say emra wo mani mu untumi ye biribi a keke untumi fa osanka o teacher ni na onfa wo ho eni saada na yenso ye ka se ne yasi ye ma obi ahu e wo Ghana ha se wo ye school ni e ka institutions wo British area na Ghana Education Services nyina say yen teacher for you say you were error your friend zero tolerance for assault on teachers. What was a teacher ni be whether verbal, physical or threat or whatever harassment. Yen tratra so and yes you solve with school ye who for patch or near China because a cost yes a cost the years so be the country a teacher food in answer to make this possible. Anytime will be better anytime will be ball or be pribia etiamara tia teacher our student and our community member but more than so better report and the police and them now you also yet here you better take the necessary action and follow up na marano and nipa ne disenia ese you